Hello everyone, my name is Melchior Geronimo Dimas Mamuraja. People usually call me Dimas, and I was born in Ketapang, September 21st, 2005. I was graduate from SMA Negeri 1 Ketapang, and right now I was a student at Tanjung Pura University in the Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, and I was a student in Government Science. And today, as a college student, I was given an assignment to make a presentation video that based from a journal that written by Andi Muhammad Irfan Alamsyah, with the name of journal is an analytical study on the intervention of the legislature to the constitutional court in Indonesia compared to developed countries. At first paragraph of journal is all about introduction. So the main point that we get from this part is this study discusses legislative intervention against the constitutional court in Indonesia and compare it with the developed countries. So legislative intervention can impact the independence and integrity of the constitutional court. And the next one is the research method. The research method used in writing this analytic article in normative judiciary or legal research. Secondary data is obtained through document studies or literature studies, such as book, text, journals, magazine, newspaper, documents, laws, and regulation. So, for the next one is all about the result that writer get from all the scientific writing. At this part of the video, I'm going to separate the topic to some parts from A to B. Okay, the first one is independence within the check and balance framework. The result of the amendment to the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia have consistently implemented the principle of checks and balance. This is illustrated by the regulation of authority between each state institution which is bound to each other. This attachment is intended so that each state administrative unit can control and balance each other to avoid arbitrariness. Okay, the second one is independence of the Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court is one of the judicial institutions that exercise judicial power apart from the Supreme Court atau yang kita kenal sekarang sebagai Mahkamah Agung, which was formed through the Third Amendment to the 1945 Constitution. The establishment of the Constitutional Court cannot be separated from the legal and constitutional development regarding judicial review of legal product, or what is known as a judicial review. Okay, so for the third one is regulation of DPR intervention against the Constitutional Court in Indonesia. So based on the in disposition at 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, the DPR is an institution that is given the authority to form laws if related to the concept of division of power as proposed by John Law. The DPR is an institution that represents legislative power. Legislative intervention against the Constitutional Court or highest court actually exists. This can be identified by looking at the practice of implementing certain legislative intervention. The relationship between the DPR and the Constitutional Court is quite strong regarding the information of formatting the Constitution. Therefore, in examining candidates for constitutional review, the Constitutional Court must be careful and seriously consider both oral and written details from the debate. Hope to see you all very soon, and I'm Dimas. Thank you and see you next time.